Today on Trial and Error, we'll be making funnel cakes. While COVID has shut down the amusement parks, why not amuse yourself at home with these delicious treats? The ingredients you'll need are vanilla extract, eggs, sugar, salt, all-purpose flour, baking soda, milk, and oil. Cinnamon is completely optional. The exact measurements can be found on our blog post or in the video description below. First, we'll focus on the dry ingredients. In a medium or large bowl, dump in your flour, cinnamon if you're using it, salt, and baking soda. Give everything a good mix. In another bowl, combine your wet ingredients. So these would be the eggs, milk, sugar, and vanilla extract. Just as a side note, the cinnamon can be substituted with ground nutmeg, and you can also change up the amounts based on how much you like the flavor. I also like things really sweet, so I decided to add in some extra sugar. So once again, you want to give everything a good mix. There were some chunks in mine, so I decided to use a hand mixer afterwards. Make sure your wet ingredients are lump-free. So after that, you want to slowly incorporate the dry into the wet ingredients. Do this bit by bit and stir between each portion so that everything could be incorporated better. The batter will soon start to thicken up, and you can adjust the thickness of the batter with milk. Mine was a little thick for my liking, so I decided to add some more. You want to aim for a semi-smooth consistency that looks like it will pour well. Next up, you want to fill a pot with canola oil or vegetable oil, heated to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, find some sort of funnel or squeeze bottle to put your batter into. I didn't have one on hand, so I loaded the batter into a Ziploc bag and cut a hole at one of the corners. We love DIYs! Once your oil has heated up, dump about 1/3 of a cup of batter in a circular motion, filling in all the spaces. Once one side is browned, flip your funnel cake over with some tongs or chopsticks. Have a plate with a paper towel on it ready to go to put your finished funnel cake on top to cool. I had extra batter, so I decided to make another one. The first one was a little scrawny, so I made the hole larger this time. My second attempt ended up looking like an oddly shaped donut. Unfortunately, I didn't have any powdered sugar in my pantry, so I opted for some other toppings. Here are my two funnel cakes. One is a little thin and one is a little thick, but we'll work with what we got. I cut up some strawberries and bananas and topped the funnel cake with those. I also added some vanilla ice cream. here's the final product! It was delicious and a great way to cure my amusement park withdrawals. I definitely recommend trying it out. That's it for this video. Please like and subscribe to Trial and Error for more content coming soon.